Happy Wednesday, guys. Welcome to the first trade journal for the month of October. I took September off from journaling because it was a really busy month for me, but I'm back for October. Started the account at $1,000, and today it is up $7.07. As you can see here, I'm allowing myself 4 trades per day, and that means I'm entering into positions using $250 blocks. And that is up from August, where I used $50 blocks. So 5 times as much money, hopefully 5 times the results. Although today was just really small base hits. All of them were on the same stock, GLXG. And let's hop on over to the charts and I'll show you what I did. So right now on the scanner, I had 4 stocks total, but GLXG was really the only one that I had my eye on. Right here at 406, it's starting to form this curl, and I had my eye on it ever since it gapped up here at the open. Almost 40% it opened up, or 50% even. And so I kind of had my eye on it. We start to see this curl. And right here, I'm watching it. I'm like, if we can get a strong break through $5, I'm going to try to take a position here. And here it flips green, $5, and I'm in. Right here, I'm looking for a push to 550. I sold half of it there when it stalled out. And you can see on the 1-minute chart here, that bar feels pretty extended. And so I'm like, I don't know how much I can hold on to this. You know, I want to see the push to 550, but I put my stop at break even. And so there I sold out. That was my first position. As you can see, it does go up here and taps 550. And so when it tries to break through that, I get in again right here. I sold half of it because it just wasn't going, and then it immediately pops all the way up to 570. I sold half again up there, and it just kind of is toying around. I'm like, can we go, 575, maybe even up to $6 with this push? But we start getting another pullback. And I'm like, maybe if it doesn't dip too low, but nah, it dips down again, and I sold everything, immediately pops without me, goes all the way up to $6, just like I thought it might. And then we're back again. We got a nice 1-minute pullback, and it's kind of back down to 550 again, breaks that level, and so I'm back in. It doesn't really go at first, and so I sold half of it again. And then it goes a little bit. I'm kind of looking for it to come back up to this high here, and it's not working. I sold another half, and it's just not showing a lot of strength. I'm watching the 15-second chart here. Like, if it taps that line, I'm out. Get a nice push there. I thought maybe it was going to go. Instantly rejects. Comes down even further. Like, maybe it'll bounce off the 9 EMA here. And we can keep on pushing up towards this level here. Nope, right there it is. Comes all the way back down. I was really hoping we would get just a little bottom wick here and then a push up through those highs there, but we didn't. And so later on, it actually did continue trading higher without me. We break through this level of $6 here and go all the way up to almost $6.50. It would have tapped for a little bit. And so really good momentum on that stock. I know I could have stayed in for some of these bigger moves, but first day with the new account balance, I'm playing it safe. Maybe now that we've got a bit more cushion, I can hold on to some of these trades a little bit longer. And so here is the stats for the month of October so far. 3 wins, 0 losses. Average win is $2.36. Grew the account by $7.07. 0.7% growth for the account. But can't complain about 100% win rate. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Enjoy your Wednesday. Love you. Peace out.